Back at Felix's house, we have the tent and everything in the back here. There is a bit of a problem when you want to get this tent delivered at your house. They didn't want to deliver it at a residential place because it's quite big. So we're lucky that Felix could bring it up here. So that's something to consider when you want to buy one of these. So step one, we got all the hardware out. We got everything out of here in the boxes. He's gonna start with taking these screws off where the brackets go. So this goes onto the Jeep on the side. So we have to put some protection on there. That's a cool. What? Recommended installers with the tabs facing to the rear. It's the side brackets, which was a little bit confusing, and we put that here to the back of the Jeep. So we have the front part which is installed. It was pretty easy. Now we have to put the back part on. Felix is going to take the whole bumper off now so that we have access to put the sides. So here is screws in here. Lay the screw level. So there's two ways to put the bracket in the back for the Jeep. There's one where you have to take off the tail light and you have to take off this here. Or there's another one where you can go straight into the frame, which seems like a more solid. So now we're putting on the side piece. We're connecting it to the piece up here. And now the trick is to find the angle, because we need to drill that here. So now Felix has to drill in here the bracket, because then the bracket can be just fixed there. He made 4 points on each side, so it sits up, and now he's gonna drill the hole. So this piece will be fixed here to have some more support. So Felix are going to do a pilot hole before. Okay, we have number 532 to drill the hole, and then we have the screw which is delivered with to put this back in here. So we've installed now the top part here. So this is installed. Now we have to fix the bottom part. So this is the part where we have to go to the frame of the Jeep. So okay, we need to just push it a little bit in, and then it will just kind of like hold it. Okay, so to fix the rack to the Jeep, we have this part which goes in the back of here to fix, and the other two will go there. So we fixed the back onto the truck. So we have now pretty much everything is like installed together on the Jeep like this. So the rack is over there. So what we're gonna install now is the brackets here. We have 4 of these brackets which will go over, and so after that's done, we're just gonna fix. A little hole in the bottom for the water to get out. Now we're gonna fix this part here, and then we're done.